Welcome to Recording Rocket League. This is applicable to both the highlight reel and the coaching. You'll need to know how to use OBS and record in order to spend editing. As that note just said, you should start editing your video by day 7. It's going to take a lot longer than you think to get these clips and edits from there. So the first thing you do is open up OBS. As you can see, is happening on the screen right now. It is in the upper left of your desktop. Click on the scene that says Rocket League Recording. It should be all set for you. If not, you can unlock it and make sure that it will be recording your full screen there, but it should be good. You just want to make sure it's getting the full desktop and the full display and not just part of it. Once you see that, you can just easily click Start Recording, and then it's going to record your entire display, your entire desktop while you're playing. So you can open up Rocket League, and Rocket League can then go to the big screen here, make it take up the whole thing, and you can play. If you want to play in a custom game that'll allow you to talk to teammates or other classmates that are playing at the same time and in your same party, and you could use the headphones and talk to each other and work on your communication, work on collaboration, work on teamwork. You will each need to be recording though, so that you can make your own highlight reel if you are doing that project. This doesn't apply, obviously, if you're doing a coaching training session. The training sessions are also in play, and you can just go training. This is where you choose what teams you want to be on. I'm not going to show you that right now. I'm going to show you just normal play and casual. Let's say you're the only one, or you don't want to use the headphones to talk. You can just play. Once you find a league, then you start playing. Now, if you've got the OBS recording like we showed you at the beginning, it will just record everything that you are playing. You'll have to go back and trim your highlights then, but it does save you some time with this next step that I'm going to show you, where you can just save your replay at the end of a game like here. It's really up to you which way you want to do it. There's really not a better way. It's just really up to you and your preference. You can record while you're playing, or if you play a game that you then have some highlights you want to save, you can go here. It's going to show you at the end that you can go down and save the replay. It'll be in the bottom left here of your finished screen. You can see it right there. You'll click Save Replay, and then you'll give it a name. Just give it your name or something, and whatever number. You don't want to just keep calling it your name, Mr. Wolf, Mr. Wolf, Mr. Wolf. You give it a different name, so you have different numbers. Then you hit OK. Now, the only downfall of that is that you then have to go back and use OBS to record your replay. So you'll have to go back and watch your replay. If you were recording the whole time, you'll have that entire session that you have recorded. However, then the time will have to come from you going back and clipping it. You'll have to clip both of them, but this way you know exactly which games you want to record. There may be games you don't have a highlight and you don't need. So once you've done that and you're done playing, you're going to hit stop recording there, as you see on OBS. Your clip will be most likely the last one that is unnamed. You can double click it to make sure that that is the recording you want. Once you have that, you can right click and go to rename and give it a name so that you know that one is yours. You can see there's going to be a lot of different clips here, so you want to make sure you've named it and organized it so you don't have to find your clip in a week or so from now and look through all 30 clips. So make sure that it is named. All right, once you've done that and you're done, this should be no later than day 6 or 7. You have to start editing because this takes time. You're going to drag your video in to the video editor on the computer so that you don't need to upload it to WeVideo and upload it to the internet and online. That takes a really long time. It could take an entire period to do that. So we're going to use this video editor right on your PC, on the gaming computer here, and you will bring it into the video editor and just continually find the clips that you want to show. All right, we're not going to add any of the audio, any of the titles, any of the fancy editing stuff that is expected in these videos to make it really a highlight reel. You're just going to do the clips. All right, so we're just going to have the video. When you're all done at that, you can export the video. It shouldn't be, a minute, 2 minutes, something like that. So it'll export here quickly rather than the 30 minutes of class time of you playing or the 5-10 minute games that you're recording. We're now clipped them into clips. So then when we want to put it into WeVideo from here, you can just simply upload them into WeVideo and it'll be a 1 or 2 minute clip rather than the 30 minutes. So again, another reminder, before you leave your station, make sure you're putting your headphones and controllers back and plugging them in. But that's how you use OBS and that's how you record. So thank you and good luck. Have fun. I want to see some creative highlight reels with a lot of cool editing tricks in it.